today so I can actually unpack everything. And yes, in the past 3 videos I have not changed my top because I'm filming them all now so I can unpack it. All of my clothes are in boxes so I can't change my top. But anyway, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have a huge homeware haul. I've moved into a new flat. I'm sure you can kind of tell from the past few videos. There's some homeware hauls going on. That is why I'm in the same outfit, because I'm just filming it so I can actually put it away. But in this video I have a ton of stuff from Ikea. We've got some bits from Dunelm Mill, a few Matalan things and some bits from TK Maxx. So it's going to be a big haul, so get cozy and I hope you enjoy. This may also be useful for anyone who is about to move out into their own place and kind of want to see what I picked up. So if you'd like to see what I got from a ton of different places for my new flat, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you'll learn when I upload a new video. It really does mean the absolute world. And please follow me on my social media pages. I'm shivonmakeupbiz on everything: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok. So yeah, let's just continue. Cool. I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. I'm going to start with Ikea because that's kind of like the main part of this haul. So just starting with something super basic but super essential, I picked up some hangers. I feel like just absolute shout going to Ikea for hangers because you can just bulk buy them. So I got a ton of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 16 hangers just to pop into my wardrobe because I have a little wardrobe in my room now, which is really cool because I'm kind of used to having chests of drawers. So it'll be nice to have some things hanged up because that way I can actually see what clothes I have and make outfits easier. So yeah, I just got some hangers, nice and easy, super essential. I got a wok. This is the Tolerant wok, which has got dust in it from moving. This was I think like £9 or something, so super cheap. I use a wok actually a lot of the time. I cook like onion and mushroom in it. I make my tofu scrambled egg. If you don't know already, I eat a vegan diet, so I love tofu scrambled egg with a bit of turmeric and I always make that in a wok. So I need one. I do own a wok, but it's like really tiny, and if I try to make the scrambled egg in the other one, it'll probably splatter everywhere, so I need a big wok. Anyway, I don't know why I'm justifying a purchase for a wok, but there you go. I know that I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this and it feels like nice quality as far as woks go. I got a wok. Yeah, just something super essential. I did used to live by myself a few years ago, so I do have quite a few like pots and pans and things, but I did need one of those. Next up, I saw this kind of in the rug section and it felt so soft, so I decided to get it. It's one of those faux fur, like sheep skin kind of shape rugs, obviously faux fur. I did have one years ago from Primark, but it kind of like molted and it's a bit gross, so I got rid of it. But I've got this fresh one for my bedroom now. Unfortunately, I cannot have a dog here in this flat, so at least I know that this won't get like dug at, so it won't get ruined. But this is the Toftland rug and it is super soft, and this is going to go in my bedroom so I can wake up in the morning and put my feet on the fluffy rug because I have wooden floors. And the next thing I got was a cooking tray. Is there a name for this? No, this is just like a little oven dish, obviously super essential to put things in, and so have you in the oven. That took a while. So as you can see, I've got a ton of hangers here. These are the like trouser clip hangers, just so I can like hang up jeans and things because I don't know what kind of clothing storage I'm going to use yet, and it's just good to have these as well for skirts and stuff like that, and I just feel like it will help me remember what clothes I actually own. So yeah, I picked a bunch of those up. I think I've got 12 of the clippy hangers. I think these are only 75p each as well, which is good that you can just purchase them by like, but I think it's good that you can buy like just one because sometimes you don't need like a whole massive pack. But yeah, I've got 12 of those for my little wardrobe. Next, a little bit random. So I went to Ikea with my friends and he was like, you need to get this squeegee. And I was like, why? And he was like, every time you have a shower, just do this, like get rid of the kind of water residue and it will stop the watermarks on your shower. I have like a glass screen shower. So yeah, I thought I'd just pick that up. So I got a little squeegee thing for the shower that I will keep maybe in the bathroom, I'm not entirely sure. Next, I actually got a ton of like Tupperware and kind of storage for food that I'm really excited about because the kind of theme that I'm going for like in the flat is like very light wood, light neutral colours, like that bamboo wicker kind of theme. And I really liked this massive jar. It's from the Ikea 365 range. If you just look that up on their website, you'll see they have like a ton of different shapes. And you basically just buy the jar. You can either buy the plastic lid for it, or you can buy like the bamboo would. So yeah, I think that's really cool. And what I'm going to do with this jar basically is fill it with vegan sweets, which I still need to buy, and have it like just for guests when they come round. I'll try to not eat the whole jar myself, but I'm just going to fill it with sweets and put it on the end of my kitchen counter. I think that'll look really cute. It's going to be a little sweetie jar, this is. So yeah, I was really excited by this huge jar, and this is literally massive. It is 3.3 litres of a jar, so pretty big for a lot of sweets. You could put cookies in it or anything like that, but I'm going to use it for feeding sweets. And then I got a few like Tupperware kind of food storage things. I didn't really know how much to buy, but I just wanted to make sure I had like a good amount of like food storage for when I have like leftovers and stuff. So I got a circle one right here. So I believe they range from like £2.50 to £4 kind of prices, and then you buy the lid separately. And so I got a circle one here that is glass, which is microwave and oven safe, so that's really cool as well. And because I work from home, I'm not going to be taking like food out, so I don't need a plastic one, but picked that up. So it's a nice little circle one. And then I got this bigger one for like bigger leftovers, obviously. And then I got two little ones like this, which will be just used for like if I've like chopped up like veg or something. Another sort of smaller one as well. So yeah, I'm kind of all stocked up on Tupperware for what I think that I'll need. And then this purchase was something that I thought I saw and I tried to convince myself I didn't need, but I was like, no, actually I can't stop thinking about this bowl. So I just got this beautiful like bamboo-y woody bowl. I don't know if it's bamboo, but do you know what I mean? It's that kind of like wood theme. It's just a big serving bowl. I think it was £10, and I just loved it. I thought it looked so cute with like crisps and stuff when I have people around. I'm having my girls round in a couple of weeks for kind of like a flat warming girly night, so I feel like I would get that and just fill it with like crisps and stuff. So yeah, got a little serving bowl. Moving away from the kind of like food section, I picked up a whole pack of 100 scented tea lights. They're right by the exit in Ikea if you've not been before, and you're wondering where the candles are. It's literally right on your way out. I was thinking about getting scented ones, but I feel like these would work better because I'm going to use these for my wax melt burner, and obviously sometimes the scented one might not go with the wax melt that I want to buy. So I just got a 100 pack of tea lights, so I'm all stocked up. I always want to have a nice wax melt burning to make my flat smell lovely, so pick those up. And I don't know how much these were actually, but now I'm kind of intrigued. Oh, found it. They were £3 for 100 tea lights, so I think that's a very good price. Okay, so sticking with the wood kind of theme, I got something for the bathroom. I got a wooden like outer soap dispenser, so I put my little soap in here for the bathroom, and then a little wooden toothbrush and toothpaste holder, which I actually like the fact that it has like holes on the underneath, like with a plastic bit, so you can actually clean like the pot out properly, because sometimes if you get just a normal pot and put your toothbrush in, it can ruin it. So I picked that up for my bathroom. I really like these actually. I think they're super cute, and I don't use like the hard bar soap because it really dries my hands out, so I only wanted the soap and the toothbrush holder. I didn't want like a set, so I liked how it came separately. Then next from Ikea is I got a bath mat, which is super fluffy. This is the Outchan, but this is the fluffy bath mat. They had it in grey as well. I feel like black would probably work the best. I kind of want to avoid grey in my apartment. I'm just kind of so over that. But this is like a really soft, like super fluffy bath mat you tie when you kind of get out and you're like, oh, that's like really nice on your feet. I don't know how well it's going to last like when it gets wetter and wetter, but I'm sure I can just stick it through the wash and it will be fine. So yeah, I'm quite happy with my little fluffy bath mat, and it's super soft. I'm just trying to make my flat as like comfortable as possible, so I can kind of like romanticize every part of my life. So when I get out of the bath, I can moisturize, you know, relax, go into my sweet jar. Do you know what I mean? It's all the little things that matter. So that is everything to show you, I believe, from Ikea. Right, next we will move on to Dunelm Mill. I did get a bin, but I'm not going to show you the bin because it will just be a hassle to show you. But I am going to show you my doormat because I'm really excited about this. So I didn't actually realise that the landlord would leave me the doormat, so I'm going to have to like either put this one on top of the doormat that's already there or hide the other one, because I bought this and I really want to put it in my doorway. It was £5 and it's a heart doormat. How cool is that? I just love it. If it's got a heart on it, that's like just a bit of me. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. If you do know me personally, you'll know this is a very Shiv doormat. I just think it's really cute, and it was only £5. So yeah, It's very scratchy, so it'll be good at getting the dirt off your shoes. So I got that for the front door. I'm gonna have to swap that over, I think. So next up from Dunelm Mill, something really quick to show you is I got my bedding from there. So I got some pillowcases. They are the Hotel Egyptian Cotton Sateen Oxford pillowcases. So I obviously got 4 of those for my bed because I've now got a king size bed, which I'm so excited about because I've had a single bed for 3 years, so I'm going to make my bed my haven, and I wanted that super like hotel bed, so that's what I've done. And I know that I fake tan once a week, but I feel like I'm going to be really determined to keep the sheets as white as possible. So I picked 4 of those up and they were £8 each. Then I got my duvet cover. Again, it's the same kind of range, Hotel Egyptian Cotton Sateen duvet cover in king size, which is 35. I feel like I wanted to, there was a part of me that wanted to get a bargain duvet set. I was like, no, do you know what, this is the first time in many years you've had your own big bed, so invest in it. And then I got the Soft Touch fitted sheet, which is a king size fitted sheet, which is £17 as well. So I've got nice bedding, which I'm so excited about. That first night when my bed finally arrives is going to be beautiful. At the moment I have my mattress, so I'm sleeping on the mattress on the floor at the moment. But it's all coming together slowly but surely. So next up is something from Maxx Dunelm. It is a dish rack. This is from Maxx Dunelm, like I just said. This is gold and it was £8.50. I was so happy to find a gold one. I was like, that fits my whole theme perfectly. I also have some gold cutlery, but I have already used it, so I will put a picture in or link it down below, so definitely check out the description box to kind of like have a look and sort of see the theme that I'm kind of going for. And I also got a dinner set and some pasta bowls as well, just kind of plain white ones. I'll link them down below. Other than that, I do have this to show you, which I haven't actually got out yet. It is really nice, the gold little dish rack as well. I feel like it's all the little things that like go together that make a house a home. Last but not least, we finally have the TK Maxx edition to this haul. I was just checking I hadn't moved the tripod forward, but I think we're all good. I picked up a few bits as kind of on a spontaneous trip, so I will show you. For TK Maxx, I got some towels, which were £17. So it was probably the same price as the B&M ones, but I just wanted some more towels, and these feel so soft. Like actually feel a bit softer than the B&M ones. So I definitely recommend heading into your local TK Maxx if you're looking for towels, because I didn't think to look in there, but these are really nice, super soft. They're by the brand Canard, and it's a set of 6. You get 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths. These are all this fluffy white colour. So yeah, they're actually so soft. I really want to put my head on it, but I don't want to get like my makeup on it. So yeah, I picked that up. So I'm all stocked up on the towel front to kind of make my kind of hotel vibe at home. Going back to Ikea, they had like a hotel dressing gown, and it was actually like £45. I was like, are you sure? That's not alright. That was a ramble. Anyway, I picked up this really beautiful candle. Of course, we don't have smell-o-vision, so you can't smell it, but trust me, it is beautiful. It is Mango Tangerine by Sand and Fog, and I also really like the kind of pot that it comes in with this like little sunset print, and my go-to doodle is always a sunset, so yeah, I'm really happy with that. It was £7.99 for this huge candle. Just open that up. Oh god, it smells amazing. I think I'm going to have this in the lounge room, and once it's finished burning I will still use the pot because it looks really nice and it kind of goes with like the theme a little bit, I think. So yeah, I really like this, and definite win. They have a lot of like the Halloween candles in now, but that's not really necessarily my vibe. So if you like citrusy scents, they still have those as well. I'm so tired that all my words are coming out, and I realise some of my sentences haven't made sense, but I hope that you have understood what I've said, because sometimes I don't. Okay, anyway, next I got some coasters. These are so cute. I'll do a close-up shot of one for you now, just to show you like how gorgeous they are. And they are only £7.99, and they're basically this really pretty shimmery coaster with like, they almost look like stones in them. They're so nice. I was on the hunt for like crystal kind of looking coasters, but they were just too expensive for the ones that I thought were nice. I spotted these in TK Maxx. I was like, these are absolutely perfect, and they come with a little holder as well, so I don't always have to have them out, which is nice. But yeah, I'm really happy with these, and they were only £8. And then lastly, to finish this huge haul, can't go wrong with some coffee syrup. I got the sugar-free salted caramel flavoured syrup, which was only £3.99, absolute bargain. I'm going to make the most delicious iced coffees from home. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm going to put that on my counter next to my little like coffee station that I'm going to make. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I've been filming for a good 2 hours or something like that, trying to film all these homeware hauls. So I'm a little bit out of like energy and stuff, but I really hope you enjoyed watching these kind of homeware hauls and seeing what I picked up from my flat, and I'm excited to be uploading again. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. I'd really appreciate it. Head on over to my social media pages. I'm shivonmakeupbiz on everything: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. Leave a comment down below saying hi, let me know how you are, or any thoughts, feelings, opinions, emotions. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.